Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is the continuation in equation involving rational expression. So that's why I wrote 2 because I have 1 before. So I have the equation 2a minus 3 over a minus 1 is equal to 2a plus 3 over a plus 1 plus 10 over a squared minus 1. By the way, this is solving for a, and then afterwards, I need to check this one if this is correct. Okay, so first thing to do is I need to simplify a squared minus 1. So I can write this one in a standard form, a squared minus 1 squared. So take note, this is difference of two squares. Difference of two squares formula is a squared minus b squared. Factors are a plus b and then times a minus b. Since I have a and then 1, so I have a plus 1 and then times a minus 1. So that's the factors of a squared minus 1. So just copy this one, the fraction, 2a minus 3 over a minus 1 is equal to, copy also the fraction at the right side, 2a plus 3 over a plus 1. Then plus 10 over the factors of a squared minus 1 are a plus 1 times a minus 1. Then next is I need to find the LCD. 2a minus 3 at the right side. So LCD between these factors, a plus 1, and a minus 1. So the LCD, a plus 1 and a minus 1. So I need to divide LCD by the first denominator. So LCD divide by denominator 1. So my LCD are a plus 1 times a minus 1 is divided by a plus 1. So a plus 1 is cross out. So I have left a minus 1. So this is serve as my numerator. So a minus 1 times the numerator, the existing numerator. So this will be 2a plus 3. Then my operation is addition. Next is LCD divided by denominator 2. So LCD, a plus 1 and then a minus 1 is divided by a plus 1 and a minus 1. So a plus 1 cross out and then a minus 1 cross out. So this will be equal to 1. 1 times the numerator, which is 10. So need to copy 2a minus 3 over a minus 1 and then simplify by multiplying the factors. So a plus 1 for the denominator and then a minus 1. So multiply a minus 1. Okay, 2a plus 3 multiply by a minus 1. So this will be 2a squared. Then plus 3a. Then minus 2a. Then minus 3. Okay, bring down 2a squared. Then what is 3a minus 2a? This is subtraction because they have unlike sign. So 3 minus 2 is 1. And then what's the sign of a? It should be positive because 3 is greater than 2 and then 3 is having a positive sign. So this will be plus a and then minus 3. So this will be 2a minus 3 over a minus 1 is equal to 2a squared plus a and then minus 3. Then this will be plus 1 times 10 is 10. and then copy the LCD or denominator I mean, a plus 1 times a minus 1. So, 2a minus 3 over a minus 1. Then need to simplify the numerator at the right side. So, this will be 2a squared plus a. Then minus 3 plus 10 minus 3 plus 10. So, unlike sign, so this will be subtraction. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then what's the sign? The sign must be positive because 10 is greater than 3 since 10 is having a positive sign. So, therefore, this is plus 7. This is a. Then, just copy the denominator, a plus 1 times a minus 1. Then, what's the next? I need to cross multiply. So, this will be 2a minus 3. I need to write the round circle or round brackets times this one. A plus 1, then a minus 1 is equal to a minus 1, then 2a squared plus a plus 7. Since I have here at the left side a minus 1 and then I have also at the right side, so I need to divide to make it simpler. Divide also this one, a minus 1. So this will be crossed out a minus 1. So I have factors at the left side, 2a minus 3, and then a plus 1 is equal to 2a squared plus a plus 7. And then I need to multiply these two factors. So 2a minus 3, then times a plus 1. So this will be 2a squared, then minus 3a times 2a minus 3. Bring down 2a squared. Okay, minus 3a plus 2a, this is subtraction. 3 minus 2 is 1 since this is a. Then what's the sign? The sign must be negative because 3 is greater than 2. Then 3 is having a negative sign, so therefore this is negative a. This is understood 1a. And then bring down minus 3. So for the left side, this is 2a squared minus a minus 3 is equal to 2a squared plus a plus 7. Okay, I need to place the unknown value which is having an a at the left side. So this will be 2a squared minus 2a squared. Then minus a, this will change to minus because this is positive. So this will be minus a. And then for my constant should be placed at the right side. So 7 at is this one because it's already on the right side. While this negative 3 will transpose to the right side. So since this is negative 3, this will become positive 3. So minus 2a squared, that will be crossed out. Minus a, since they have the same sign, so take the common sign, minus a, 2a, because 1a plus 1a, that is 2a. So, and then this will be positive 10. To solve the value of a, I need to divide by 2 both sides. So this will be crossed out. So a is equals to negative 5. So the root for number 2, therefore the root for equation number 2 is negative 5, or the solution set is negative 5. Now let us check this one. So I will put in here negative 5. So the given equation is 2a minus 3 over a minus 1 is equal to 2a plus 3 over a plus 1, then plus 10 over a squared minus 1. So I need to replace a is equals to negative 5 to the given equation. So this will be 2 times negative 5 minus 3 over negative 5 minus 1 is equal to 2 times negative 5 plus 3. Then a is negative 5 plus 1 plus 10 over negative 5 square minus 1. So this one multiply, this is negative 10, and then this is minus 3. Negative 5, negative 6, so add the integers, so 5 plus 1 is 6, and then take the common sign, this is negative, is equal to, multiply also, this is negative 10 plus 3, all over by, what is negative 5 plus 1? So this is subtraction because unlike sign. So 5 minus 1 is 4, and then what's the sign? The sign must be negative because 5 is greater than 1, and then 5 is having a negative sign. So that's why my denominator is negative 4. And then this will be plus 10 over 5 squared. So meaning, multiply itself 2 times. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then, since negative sign inside the round brackets, then this is even, so this will be positive. Take note, if the exponent is even, the sign must be positive. If the exponent is odd, this will be negative. Okay? So this will be positive 25 minus 1. Then need to simplify for the denominators and numerators too. So this will be negative 10, negative 3. This is negative 13. Then over negative 6 is equal to, this is subtraction because negative 10 and then positive 3. So this will be 10 minus 3, that is 7. Then what's the sign? The sign must be negative because 10 is greater than 3, and then 10 is having a negative sign. So therefore, my numerator is negative 7. Then copy the denominator, which is negative 4. Then plus 10 over 25. Take away 1, that is 24. I think we can reduce this one by dividing what number? This will be 2. So this will be 5 over 12. Okay, so negative divided by negative, that is positive. So I have here 13 over 6. Same with the first fraction at the right side. 7, negative 7, and then over negative 4. So negative divided by negative, that will be positive. So 7 over 4. Then this will be plus. My new fraction is 5 over 12. So this is 13 over 6. So I need to find the LCD between 4 and 12. So the LCD between 4 and 12 is 12. Then I need to divide the denominator. So 12 divided by 4, that is 3. No. Sorry, 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 7, that is 21. Then plus 12 divided by 12, that is 1 times 5 is 5. So this will be 13 over 6. So this is 21 plus 5, that will be 26 over 12. Can we divide this one or reduce this one by dividing 2? So this will be 13 over 6. How about at the right side, the fraction? So 26 divided by 2. So this is 1. Then multiply 0, bring down 6. How many 2 do I have in 6? That is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And take away, that will be 0. So for my numerator is 13. And then 12 divided by 2 is 6. So this is correct. So my root for number 2, a equals negative 5, is correct. That's all for this topic.